Hello and welcome to Zepson Hosting Services. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add SSL certificate into your domain name. SSL certificate helps to protect your customers' data from being stored online by making or creating an encrypted version of the data. Go to Domains, Auto SSL. At this screen, you can choose the domain or subdomain that you want to install the SSL certificate to. I'll choose this domain. Now the system is validating if the domain is pointing to our servers. You can choose to install the certificate into Mail, Webmail, FTP, cPanel. Now click on Install Certificate. Now the system is installing the certificate and it takes a few seconds to complete. Now, the SSL certificate is installed successfully. Your customer's data is private and secure. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to Zepson Hosting Services.